Let's take a look at this question. For which of the following audit tests would an auditor most likely use attribute sampling? So first, you need to know what attribute sampling is. Actually, I gave you a hint early on. I told you we're dealing with audit sampling that deals with test of control. So attribute sampling deals with test of control, and what we're doing is we're looking for a characteristic of the population of interest to the auditor. Some characteristic, we're looking for something for the approval by the manager, the approval by the credit manager, the approval by the person that's inspecting the time card. We are looking for the approval of the purchasing department, so on and so forth. So making an independent estimate of the amount of LIFO inventory. Here we are dealing with amount basically deal with valuation. It's not really attribute sampling, it's dealing with a dollar amount. Therefore, A is out. Examine invoices in support of the valuation. Again, valuation, we're dealing with some dollar amount of the assets addition. Selecting account receivable for confirmation, that's a substantive procedure. That's not test of control. By process of elimination, D is the answer. And this is an example of attribute sampling. Inspecting employee time card for proper approval by the supervisor. Do we have the supervisor's initial? That's all what you're looking for. You're looking for the initial. You don't care about the hours. You don't care about the dollar amount. You're looking for that attribute to determine whether the supervisor approves the time card before the company issues the check. That's all what you're looking for. You're looking at that characteristic, at that attribute. And this happens during the testing the internal control, attribute sampling.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website, farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.